Hello, good morning. My name is Christian and welcome to our EDG today. Our devotion for today will be found on 1 Corinthians 9:19. So, what does the verse says? 1 Corinthians 9:19, "For though I am free from all men, I have made myself a servant to all, that I might win the more." Ayan. So, Paul says that he is free. He is not a slave and he has freedoms. But listen to verse 19. He makes himself a slave to everyone in order to win more people. I have freedoms, but I do not use them for the sake of the gospel. So, sabi dito ni Paul, for the sake of the gospel, na ma-share niya yung gospel, hindi niya ginagamit yung freedom niya. So, paano natin expound? So, to the Jews and to the Gentiles, I understand where they are coming from. In order to win them, I become all things to all people so that by all means possible, I might save some. This is the heart of the gospel. It is not about me. Everything is for the sake of the gospel, not me. Think about the gospel. When we talk to each other, think about what we are saying for the sake of the gospel. Are we trying to understand where a person is coming from and truly helping them to see the glory of Jesus? Or are we just coming from our knowledge and superior position and going to tell them what they should think, say, or do? Consider their background and reach them with the gospel where they are. Do not be a stumbling block in the path to Jesus, in their path to Jesus. We must think this way with unbelievers, weaker Christians and stronger Christians. Think about what Paul says in verse 19. We make ourselves a servant of all. We are to give ourselves away to others. The goal is not ourselves and not our rights and freedom. The goal is the gospel. Thank you and good morning.